So welcome everyone to Digitals Online Training. So we'll be talking about how to use an AI tool to remove background from pictures or photos. Anything you want to do as far as graphics is concerned, and also how to add background to it using AI tool. So the first thing you're going to come to this web address here, that's remove.bg. So then you come here, you click on upload. Either you're using phone or laptop, you are all good to go. Then you select the image or the picture you want to work with. So let me let's work with one of these pictures. Okay, so this is the picture. You can see now we've been able to remove the background from the picture. So if you also want to edit this picture, you can actually edit it here. Then if you look at here, it said add design. So let's click on add design. You can see there are different designs. So let me cancel it. So let's click on edit. So by clicking on edit, there are also some other options here down here. So you can, so let's click on this. You see, then you can also tap on one of these. So there are options you can explore from here. So let me check this. Can you see, is this not amazing? It's actually amazing. So and apart from what you are seeing on the screen, we can also click on the color option, then select the appropriate color you want to use. Can you see? Or we go back to the default image, and this image actually was generated using AI. So we are using AI also to manipulate it. You can see the background have been blown. You can see, depending on the use case you are actually working on. So you can also upload the background. Okay, you want to put it under another background, you can click here and change the background. So it's as simple as ABC. So this is just a world of possibility, and as soon as you are done, you click on download to download what you have done. So so let's also check. Do you really want to close? Yes, I want to close it. So, and here you can add design. You can explore other possibilities we have here. So see you in my next video.